Hi everyone, Reverend Stephanie Wild here, psychic medium and spiritualist minister. Today is October 8th, 2019, and today it was announced that 3 cosmologists will share the Nobel Prize in Physics. Their names are Jim Peebles, Michael Mayer, and Didier Queloz. So today, I'm just going to talk about physics and metaphysics. Physics is the study of matter and energy at all scales of time and length. Historically speaking, the study of physics began with Newtonian physics, right? So the things we can see and touch, gravity, volume, all these things we can measure with our naked eye. Albert Einstein started to talk about quantum physics. So at a very, very, very small scale. Cosmology is physics at a huge, huge scale, at the scale of universes. Metaphysics, which is what I teach and study and practice, is the philosophy of first principles. So we answer questions about being and knowing and cause and identity and time and space. So you can see how physics and metaphysics work together. The language of physics is mathematics. Observation, equations, mathematics. The language of metaphysics is, dare I say it, poetry. So cosmology is the measurement of the universe. But if the universe is expanding, how do we measure that reliably? Well, what cosmologists do is they measure the movement of photons. As you know, photons are teeny, 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 the cat's biting me, tiny particles of light. Every measurement starts at some point somewhere and ends at the observer. Photons are both particle and wave, and they don't know what they're going to be until an observer observes them, an observer with consciousness. Photons are always in motion, and in a vacuum, they have a constant speed to all observers, the speed of light. Photons have no mass. Photons cannot decay on their own. In other words, they don't die. But their energy can be transferred. So sometimes photons are referred to as energy particles. Photons are elementary particles, so they're not made up of other particles. It's the smallest bit we can observe. So by observing the elementary particle of the photon, we can figure out how huge the cosmos is. And there's an equation for that. It's called Friedmann's equation. I'm going to show you. The total energy density from all components of mass, energy, and R curve is the spatial curvature radius. Hereafter we shall set C equals 1. Okay, which grows as the scale factor R curve RT. Or as Rumi says, the universe and the light of the stars come through me.